Hi friends, welcome to Communication Skill Enhancement Practice. One thing common between you and me is that we all want to grow in our life. We want to grow financially, we want to grow our personality, we want to grow our personal branding. But one major obstacle, it is like a obstacle which if we cross, we will get all the things. And that major thing is our communication skills and also English speaking skill, because if we want to grow globally, if we want to connect more people from across the globe, then one language we should all know, that is English. We all know English language, but we can understand English language. The problem is we are not able to speak it properly, because the reason is not that we have not that awareness. The reason is we don't have the practice. We need more practice. So this my channel is specially I am always inspiring people, motivate people so that they should start practicing rather than just sit somewhere and complaining that it is not happening, it is not happening. Let's do practice. Let's enjoy it. And with a flow, when we'll enjoy our practice, one day will come, then we will be at a very flow state and we can be communicate with a very effective manner. So let's practice together. And for practicing, the format is very easy. If you want to really practice, then follow this format and you will be improve your communication skills, and the day will come, you will improve financially, you will improve your personal brand. First thing is making 10-minute video, and that I have learned from different mentors, that not from one mentor. Various mentors have told the one thing, that practicing daily and daily making 10-minute video will help you. So do it daily. If some problem is occur and you are just able to miss that, then you have to make 2 video another day. So that in the whole month you can make 1 video each. So that is the first thing. Second thing is reading with louder voice at least 10 minutes. So total you have to give 10 minutes making video, 10 minutes reading loudly, and 15 minutes listening, 15 to 30 minutes listening English. While starting of sleep also you can listen English. There is sleeping English, you can search in YouTube. Sleeping English will also help your English speaking skills. So at the time of sleep you can listen 10 to 15 minutes English. And also I have make one video I have given in description box, that is Strangest Secret of the World, which is very motivating. So and you can use it like a sleeping English. At the time of sleep you can listen for half an hour, and when you listen it, your mindset will be improved, and also your English listening time will be quota will be complete. So you will be get the dual advantage. So the first thing I have told is making video, second thing reading, third thing listening, and fourth thing, what is the final thing, is writing. You can use your own, you can do a note, take a notepad and pen and start writing English with at least 10 sentences daily. So use these 4 tips. When simultaneously you use these things, your English speaking or communication skill will be improved. So daily practice will improve your communication skills, and small improvement will boost your confidence.